What's the difference between renovating versus remodeling? This is another one of those very subjective questions. Depends on who you ask. They'll kind of think they are the same, but I actually think there are some subtle differences between the two. Renovating, as an example, is taking an area or space in the home and updating or upgrading it, but keeping the same purpose. So think of your old outdated kitchen that has old appliances that hasn't been touched in 20, 30 years. And now you bring it into the 2024 year in terms of function and flow and usability and a newer aesthetic. That would be renovating, in my opinion. Now, remodeling would be taking a space or an area and completely changing it, repurposing it. And so you're doing something a little more extensive. So think of adding a new bathroom, think of adding a new room and more square footage, knocking out walls, closing off walls. That's totally different. And so I would consider that remodeling. Let me know if you agree or disagree in the comments below.